Looking to bring warmth and luxury into your home without the hassle? Meet the Dimplex Ignite Aspire built-in electric fireplace, where elegance meets innovation. Experience realistic, multicolored flames that let you set the perfect mood for any moment. Romantic evenings, cozy movie nights, or everyday relaxation. With a sleek frameless design, the Ignite Aspire fits beautifully into any space, from modern apartments to elegant family homes. Stay in control with adjustable heat settings and brightness levels, giving you year-round comfort, with or without the heat. Powered by Dimplex's advanced heating technology, it delivers consistent warmth while staying whisper quiet, so you can focus on the moments that matter. No mess, no smoke, no venting. Just plug it in and enjoy. A clean, eco-friendly fireplace experience that's ready when you are. Transform your home with the Dimplex Ignite Aspire electric fireplace, where modern design meets timeless warmth. Have questions? We're just a call away. Talk with a trusted expert, Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. PST. Visit SAKSBY.com and contact us on 1-8447-175-044 or email us on hello@saksby.com.